Hello everyone, myself Manish Kumar, and today I will try to explain what were the procedure for the selection in the Vedanta placement. In IIT Vedanta has come for branches like geology, ceramic, mechanical, metallurgy, and mining. From these branches, Vedanta has selected five students from mining department, four from metallurgy, one from mechanical, and three from geology. I am from mining department from ITBHU. So mostly whatever I would tell here that would related to the mining department. Vedanta whole process comprises of four parts. First, that is the shortlisting of the candidate for the written test, and after the test, qualified students are selected for the group discussion round. And from each group, I can say that two people from each group are further selected for the interview round, and finally uh, people were selected and given the offer. So what were the questions that were asked in the written test? Question in the written test of Vedanta comprises of four parts: quantitative, reasoning, English, and mining portion. But that question was simply at the easy level. But yeah, one has to some basic knowledge in their core branch. I can say that 40% were question from the mining branch, and if one doesn't have enough knowledge in their core branch, then I can say that it would be difficult to qualify the test. And mostly the question were basic type, like uh, gold were extracted from which type of method. Question were like this. And quantitative question were also very easy level, and one can practice from grade up or uh, any other sources, or can practice from Hitpool's eyes. So and English were also very easy, and whatever we see around us, uh, like uh, um, if if we have very basic understanding of English and grammar, then we can easily qualify the test. I think that 80% people were qualified in the written test. Some difficulties that were faced by the student were in the group discussion round. So, two people from each group are selected out of eight people, eight or seven people. So this is slightly tough. So, and people usually Vedanta selected those people who started the group discussion round or do conclusion. Like you have to be view of the uh, in view of the person that were taking the group discussion round. So uh, and the group discussion topic were mostly related to the current affair. In this year, in year 2021, the topic were totally circulated the uh, COVID-19 situation. uh, from our branch, mining branch, from in the three group, the question, the GD topic were all from in each group, the GD topic were related to the COVID situation. And when I talk with my friend from other college, they also confirmed that yeah, the question were same, means the GD topic were same related. So be prepared for that. I think that all of these round, the most difficult round was interview round. uh, I think that they check the confidence of the people along with checking the basic understanding of their core branch. uh, Vedanta doesn't uh, check whether a student has a very vast knowledge in their core branch or not, but yeah, they check whether they have understood the branch or understood the subject or not. Like there were some questions asked in the interview like what is mining? Tell in your own language. Whether chimney that are used for preparing the bricks can be called mining or not. And Vedanta is a metalliferous mining. So mostly questions were related to the underground metalliferous mining, and some questions were related to the topic or subject that has been studied in the previous subject in the previous semester. So be prepared for this. In underground metalliferous mining, they can ask whether uh, backfilling is done in this type of mining or not. What were the various type of underground metalliferous mining? What were cut and cut and fill mining, and what were a stowing process, and along with bench height and bench width. And one question that were common from every student was related to their training. And in Vedanta, mostly those students were preferred that has done training some uh, at least once, means whether it is in winter time or summer time. They usually asked in the interview that whether you have done direct exposure to mine or not. One student also got selected from our group that has not direct exposure to mine, but yeah, they have done good research and they have told that due to COVID situation they have not got chance to explore the mine, but yeah, they have really interested in exploring the mine and would explore if would be given chance. And but the question were then asked from his research, and yeah, he has done research very well, so he has managed to answer. So mostly a student that has done training were preferred in the Vedanta, and question would be circulated around your training, your project, and underground metalliferous mining, along with some basic concept related to your course subject. Thanks.